So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to our channel Mr. Lazy Tech, and this video is all about this. This is the Syska smartwatch SW100 and its price is approximately 2500 rupees. So I'll do the unboxing of this smartwatch and let's see what all we get inside the box, give you the basic overview and let's see what all features it has and whether this smartwatch is best at this price range or not. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the Syska smartwatch SW100 you will be getting once the product is reached to you. And behind the box they have given a lot of features mentioned on the box itself. So let us just quickly unbox this thing and let's see what will we get inside this white box. So first of all, you will be getting a user manual. You can just go through it once and see all the instructions and specifications of the smartwatch, and I would recommend you to go it very carefully because this smartwatch has a lot of features with it. And they have given a USB to magnetic charger. You can just charge your smartwatch using this magnetic charger given over here. Now coming to the main smartwatch itself, so they have given a very good quality and premium product, I must say, considering the price range. And on the watch itself they have mentioned please charge to activate the watch before first use. And I have removed the strap and all, and it looks very premium over here, you can see. And they have given a very lightweight and a metallic body over here, and it is very lightweight overall. And they have given a premium quality of strap as well. And on the back you'll be getting the heart rate monitoring sensor along with the magnetic charging port. You can just charge your smartwatch using this charging port. And over here they have given the detachable straps as well, so you can just detach your straps very easily and use a new strap according to your color preference. And here you can see they have given a single touch control. You can just single tap on it on the screen itself. It will go to the different modes, and if you will long press on any of the mode, it will access the particular mode. So for example, if you will long press on it, it will go inside the mode. And they have given a bright screen over here, I must say, and very easily accessible touch they have given with this particular watch. And you can just install the Syska Fit app on your phone, and once it is installed you can just pair it with your phone very easily, and you can access all the tracking activities through the phone itself. And this app is very useful. You can access all the functions of the smartwatch using this app itself. And here you can see they have given multiple options like call alert, alarm set, change wallpaper, change watch faces, and you can just change your watch faces as well directly through the app itself, and it is done very quickly. You can see over here I just selected this particular watch face and it is done. So very quickly you can just access all the features using this application, and it is very useful over here. Now coming to the specifications part, you will be getting 1.3 inches of TFT LCD screen with full color display with it, and it has IPX68 water resistant feature with detachable straps as well. And you will be getting up to 15 days of battery life on a single charge and with 40 days of standby time. And you'll be getting different monitoring modes like heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, step monitoring, yoga monitoring. And they have given multiple sports modes like walking, running, cycling, elliptical workouts, hiking, and this watch looks very premium on your hands. So as we can see here, they have given lot of features at this price range. Lot of means lot of features. बहुत सारे features दिए गए हैं इस price range में. और सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे इस वॉच की ये लगी, they have given a very lightweight watch over here. आप इसको हाथों में पहनेंगे तो बहुत ही हल्का फील होगा, लगेगा नहीं आपने हाथों में कुछ पहना हुआ है, और बहुत ही प्रीमियम लुक है. सामने से आप आएंगे, कोई भी आपको देख के क्लियरली बोल सकता है that you are wearing something premium in your hands. So इस प्राइस रेंज में मेरे को इसका लाइट वेट और प्रीमियम लुक काफी अच्छा लगा. And as I told you, using the Syska Fit app, you can access all the features of this watch directly through the phone itself. जितनी भी ट्रैकिंग एक्टिविटीज है आप Syska Fit app इंस्टॉल करके इसमें आप रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं और एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. And you can also change the watch faces, एंड इसमें आप वॉलपेपर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. कोई भी आपका वॉलपेपर है वॉच में भी लगा सकते हैं. दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट. एंड जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज हैं, वॉलपेपर्स हैं, सब आप डायरेक्टली ऐप से यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड इसमें रिस्ट मूवमेंट सेंस दिया गया है. फॉर एग्जांपल आपके हाथ नॉर्मल पोजीशन पे है बट आप टाइम देखने के लिए वॉच को ऐसे करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्प्ले ऑन हो जाएगा, एंड जब आप वॉच को नॉर्मल पोजीशन पे ले जाएंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्प्ले ऑफ हो जाएगा. सो काफी अच्छा बैटरी सेविंग ऑप्शन दिया गया है रिस्ट मूवमेंट सेंस के थ्रू, और काफी अच्छे से वर्क करता है सेंसर. सो आपकी इसमें बैटरी बैकअप भी बहुत अच्छी मिल जाती है. देयर इज नो इशू रिगार्डिंग दैट. एंड आप इसको मोबाइल से कनेक्ट करके सारे जो भी नोटिफिकेशन आते हैं मोबाइल के, आप इसमें भी देख सकते हैं, दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट. सो भाई क्लियर बात है, अगर आपका बजट अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 2500 रुपीज है तो आप आंख बंद करके विद अ प्रीमियम लुक, विद अ लाइट वेट ऑप्शन एंड मल्टीपल ऑप्शन, यू कैन डेफिनेटली ग्रैब दिस वन. आई एम ऑल्सो लिविंग द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन पार्ट below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question regarding this watch, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with that. So this was all about the unboxing reviews of the Siska smartwatch SW100. Hope you like this one, and as I told you, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Thank you.